Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install XLN Audio Addictive Drums 2. I got my download from pluginforest.com. They offer plugin in very cheap rates. They also offer 24/7 live chat support. If you have any further issues, you can contact to them. If you buy from pluginforest.com, you will get the zip file. Simply unzip the file and open the folder. Now go to the setup. Make sure you have select all of this one. Click next, install, click finish. Now go to the Addictive Drummer 2 folder, open this, install Addictive Drummer 2 library replacer, double click on it, and there you go, library is in place now. Click OK. After install library, close everything, open your DAW. I'm using Ableton. There you go. Now close. Okay, here is the list of all libraries. You can see them. Also we can check standalone version. There you go. Thanks for watching this video. I'm gonna catch you on my next video. Peace.